Hello viewers, Assalamualaikum. How are you? I am fine. I am KmitInstitute Chaudhary, the owner of kmitInstitute is a freelancing training center. I am the launched the 2022 the whole year 1,000 student free training of digital marketing course. Everybody join here. The first time joining this system, subscribe my kmitInstitute YouTube channel. The second, join the kmitInstitute group. The third, the follow kmitInstitute page. You have the three system very easily join this curriculum. The first time the kmitInstitute YouTube channel, subscribe and notification button, click them. Then the kmitInstitute Facebook page, follow them. The third, the kmitInstitute Facebook group. I can provide the all class link, provide the kmitInstitute group. The system, the class system, the free all student, the Google Meet, the all class completed. Everybody join now, and kmitInstitute group and kmitInstitute page follow, and kmitInstitute YouTube channel. I can present free decision, the free freelancing, free training, the 1,000 student, the free digital marketing course 2022. I'm completely whole year, the February 2022 is still now December 2022. I am the decision, the 1,000 freelancer create the freelancing market. The total digital marketing course, the free class is every Friday and Sunday. Every people join here, my kmitInstitute YouTube channel, the subscribe, join here my kmitInstitute Facebook page, the join here kmitInstitute group. I can provide the all class link, the post in kmitInstitute group in class every Friday and Sunday. Every Friday and Sunday, discuss my all students, the time feasting, my country, the out of country, the whole world, the living world, any country, join this my channel, join this my kmitInstitute group, follow them kmitInstitute Facebook page, join kmitInstitute Facebook group, and subscribe kmitInstitute YouTube channel. I can every class complete Zoom meeting or Google Meet, they record this class. You can provide, you can uploading my YouTube channel. The absence this class student, the next day you see and you study your backup study completed my YouTube channel's videos. Thank you very much, my all students. Thank you very much, my all friends. Thank you very much, my all participate. I can request them to join now the kmitIn Facebook group, kmitInstitute. Join now the kmitInstitute Facebook page, the subscribe kmitInstitute Facebook YouTube channel. I can remember I'm launching kmitInstitute by CEO and founder. I'm MD Kamaluddin Chaudhary. I can launch the free training 1,000 student, the free digital marketing course 2022, the course type of total Facebook marketing, basic to advanced, total social media marketing, Instagram marketing, YouTube marketing, LinkedIn marketing, lead generation, data entry, Amazon product listing, Amazon marketing, the guide to Amazon affiliate marketing, etc., etc. Search engine optimization, the total digital marketing, the free training, the 1,000 students, the whole world. I can follow them, my teacher. You have this, the whole world, free Steve Silden, the lot of money donation. The same things, my hands not of money, my hands as my training, my skill. I can provide, I can presentation the whole world, but my country, the other sub country, the free training, the 4 people, 4 student, free man, etc., etc. Then the join here, my KMIT Institute YouTube Facebook group, KMIT Institute Facebook page, KMIT Institute YouTube channel. Then I will start now February, 1,000 student the classes of digital marketing course, the available the February start, middle month of February. The total 1,000 student the training, the free training, the learning to earning the courses and digital marketing course. Everybody join here, everybody join here, four people, the 4 student, the freeman, etc., etc. You have this interest, then the digital marketing course, you can join my Facebook group of KMIT Institute, Facebook page, follow KMIT Institute, and YouTube channel, the subscribe KMIT Institute. A lot of video provide Bengali or English, but I am the people of Bengali. Then of my out of country, the Indians people, the Bengali people, they'll lecture my channel, follow them my channel, but join my channel, join my group, join my Facebook group. I am the open in the February middle, 15 February 2022 presentation, my free digital marketing course start, and total whole years February 2022, December 2022 continue the still now running these my courses, free courses. Free courses class time is Fridays and Sundays. Discuss time fixing my all student the Zoom meeting or Google Meet meeting, but free student the all student the classes Zoom meeting, Google Meet and Zoom meeting. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, my all participant. You can participate then free digital marketing course 2022, joining free training the 1,000 student. Thank you very much. Again, to my request them, they'll finish my video. The please joining the KMIT Institute Facebook group, follow KMIT Institute Facebook page, and subscribe KMIT Institute YouTube channel. Everybody person is that join here and start my KMIT Institute, can provide the free digital marketing course 2022, my countries and other countries, the whole world, every country's people that join this group. I can provide my all class links, Google Meet link, Google Meet or Zoom link. They provide my KMIT Institute Facebook group. They join this here on class start Sunday, Friday and Sunday. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. A lot of thank you very much, my all friends. Thank you very much, my all students. Thank you very much, all participate. You can know that for study and YouTube channel digital marketing course. The recently free here to join this system. I will start the February 2022. Total the whole year that December 2020 continue this the process, free digital marketing course. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The best of luck all my friends, best of luck my all students, best of luck all participants. Thank you very much.